jumping from the sky in the air right now, waving our hands like we just don't care. And okay, guys, we're on a flight. It's a 5-hour journey, and we're here to talk to you guys because, you know, on flights, flights get very boring, you know. There's toilets. You might check out the toilet later if anyone wants to go to the toilet. But we will not be doing anything in the toilet. We won't be doing any Britney Spears thing going on right now. But if Britney Spears was in this flight, we would totally go to the toilet with her. We're not, like, not go to the toilet, just like, chill. Which is a toxic music video. Anyway, let's go flight, John. Let's go play. Okay, so it's a good question. Stuart has been in the air. Can everyone see us? Okay. Hello and welcome aboard Jedward Airlines. Here on the flight today, you'll meet your cabin crew are Edward and John. In case of a flight emergency, you will find on United Airlines, you will find, remember, no smoking on flight, no telephones or laptops on this flight as it will interfere with the flight desk. There will be no DVD or portable electronics allowed on this flight because they don't make them anymore. We will also have no GPS systems because you don't need to know where you're going because the pilot is traveling themselves. No PDA, personal display of affection. No turn cell phones off. Call me. Hey, what's your number? Call me maybe. Anyway, life vests are below your seat. In case of emergency, contact John because John will be there to give you a jet hug. If you're stressing out on your flight right now, contact press 1 right now. Under the seat, you'll find an informational pamphlet which will help you and guide you on your way into the ocean. Remember, the ocean is not a swimming pool, so do not wear goggles. Because if you wear goggles, dolphins will think that you're spying on them. Where's the in-flight stage? Out of here. Wait. We've got earphones. We will also find a blanket which you can use to go asleep. And look, you also get this crazy girl. Wait, guys, keep talking. And we also, in case of an emergency where you're so like overcome with like enjoyment and excitement, there's a sick bag in case you get sick. Basically, what's going on? Basically, you get the bag. You do your business like, and then you fold over the bag and give to someone as a present for Christmas. Hello, my name is Dawn. And okay, we're now going to go live up the aisles. Let's go, John. For yourself. It's out on the internet. Okay. It's answer the questions, okay? Okay. Why the plane's actually shaking so much? Let's see, okay? Anyway, Salami is here, okay? Love you guys. Okay. It keeps freezing. Okay. Oh my internet. Okay. Go to toilet, go to toilet. Okay, go to toilet by myself. You're not allowed to use seatbelts. Let's go sleep. Jedward live. Wait, hello? Yes, we're really excited about coming to Holland.
flight deck. We're at 38,000 feet. That's going to be our cruising altitude at least initially en route to Los Angeles this afternoon. We are expecting a pretty good ride. The fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. You can feel free to get up and move about the cabin as you need to.